Bills, debt, credit scores, saving, investing. Most of us are expected to understand money, but no one really teaches us how. That is where Money Smarts comes in. Money Smarts helps everyday people learn the financial skills they need to feel more confident, more prepared, and more in control. With easy-to-follow online courses, helpful books, interactive lessons, and tools designed for real life, you can learn how to build a budget, improve your credit, manage debt, save for emergencies, start investing, and plan for the future. And because learning should keep you motivated, Money Smarts uses rewards, badges, progress tracking, and AI-powered support to help you stay on track. No confusing jargon, no judgment, just practical money education you can actually use. Learn money skills, build confidence, take control of your future. Start your financial learning journey today at money-smarts.com.